Welcome. I'm excited you are joining me for a subject that is dear to my heart and that I love. I'm Jean Sheehan of Millennium Education. For over 20 years, I have been teaching medical intuition and giving medical intuitive consults. I've won awards and I'm internationally recognised. Medical intuition has also been taught at Queensland University. From the thousands of requests I have for sharing my knowledge of medical intuition, the most requested is hearing about the body and client stories. I agree, as this is how the brain learns, and we all love actual examples. So it's with great pleasure I give you these profound insights. You might want to grab a pen and paper so you can write notes. Know that as I share this wisdom, your innate will tap into the healing gift of medical intuition. I ask you to tune into your body and accept the love and healing that is offered. So take a big breath in now and breathe all the way out. Sit down and relax and enjoy this extraordinary work. There will be links you can click onto to contact me for courses, workshops. Or if you would like me to speak, please email info@absoluteempowerment or click the link. So let's see what the body says. Do you recognize the gift that you are? Hayden presented for a medical intuitive session. He was a 32-year-old gentleman and he had perceived a life of happiness. As an entrepreneur, he manifested his childhood dream of making a global business that produced a lot of money. He wanted to do whatever he wanted, when he wanted. From the outside world looking in, Hayden had the perfect lifestyle. Money, looks, wife, but there was something missing for him. Nobody knew this except for himself. Hayden's medical intuitive session was for his chest pain. The doctors could not find anything on the blood tests, x-rays, or CT scans. As Hayden spoke, I could see that his chest pain was not physical or chemical, but it was held in a particular chakra called the Christ consciousness, or 8th chakra. This chakra is part of the lymphatic system for immunity. It is emotionally concerned with the illusion of separation from anyone or anything. It is the bridge between dualities. As I scanned his body, there was a link to his small intestine, which was the physical organ of separation, and this was giving him reflux and physical chest pain. The body did not want me to deal with the heartburn or small intestine. It wanted the 8th chakra to have attention. One key function of the 8th chakra is that it eavesdrops on thoughts, and Hayden was saying to himself that he did not make a difference in the world. He was a humanitarian and loved seeing people in their bliss. His product allowed others to have this, but as it was an online business, he never saw the miraculous reactions or results of people. This gave him chest pain emotionally and mentally, as he felt he did not make a difference to anyone's life. Suddenly during the session, he had massive chest pain, and from my nursing background, I was watching his vital signs as his body was reacting physically to this. I did a few healing techniques, and tears poured down his cheeks as he realized he was making a difference in people's lives by being the example of what is possible and providing his product. He flashed to the testimonials that came in every day, thanking him personally for what he has done. The heart and the 8th chakra suddenly opened and were beaming pure white light. As this occurred, I could see the cells in all aspects of his body blossoming, as he knew he was on purpose and that he was not separate from others. 6 months later, Hayden called me to say, "Jean, I now get what purpose is. It is loving what you do and being in bliss with all good and bad. Thank you, as I have not had chest pain since seeing you." It is important to recognize the gift that you are. Each one of us comes into the world with a talent, with a gift. And part of our journey as a soul having a human experience is to see the gift and to be able to express it. Remember, you are all perfect and in different stages of remembering. For more information about medical intuition and how you can live the life that you love, click the links at the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for listening. It's been a real privilege to connect with you.